Welcome back. You watched our first or second or whatever number series, and you're back for more. That means we got great questions and great answers. Todd Colley with Great American RV, Eric Perry. Let's talk more about RV finance.
Let's do it.
Can self-employed buyers get RV financing? I hear that one a lot of self-employed people, and maybe they're going to the wrong place, but I see comments online and stuff, I'm self-employed, had a hard time financing.
Yep.
Tell me more about that one.
So most banks have no problem with self-employed,
Okay.
Especially if it's going into that person's personal name, right? If they ask for income, maybe they stipped it for proof of income, you might need to provide some tax statements, but a lot of situations don't require that, so no problem. Just like a consumer, you can absolutely be self-employed. We can get you an RV loan.
Sounds like they're not coming to Great American RV to purchase. They're just dealing with
Apparently
the wrong
not,
people.
because yeah, we'd set them right up.
So with that, let's say I'm registering this RV in my LLC. Is that possible?
It is possible.
Okay.
We do have a few lenders that will allow for an LLC. There's other options as well. So you can, for example, take it in your personal name, and then you can lease it out to your company and still use it for that tax write-off.
Right.
So there's an option there. If you absolutely wanted to put it in your LLC name, we do have an option for it. It just does limit our lenders that we can use.
Okay. Can I finance a used RV or only the new ones?
Sure. Used RVs, no problem. We can get used financed. Depending on the age, the rate might be affected a little bit based on how old the unit is, but used RVs, no problem.
No problem. Bring it on. Is financing different for motorhomes versus travel trailers or fifth wheels?
Not really. The dollar amount does affect the financing as far as what you might qualify for based on your credit profile. Obviously, rates and terms are affected by the dollar amount, so I guess yes, but it doesn't have as much to do with the collateral based on a travel trailer or a motorhome, but how much you're financing, right? $250,000 loan on a motorhome, you probably need a stronger credit profile than you would on a $30,000 travel trailer.
Of course.
So it is a little different, but just based on the dollar amount.
Is there an age or mileage limited on used RVs when it comes to financing?
It's a good question. Most of our lenders do have an age restriction for used RVs, and it does vary a little bit between travel trailer and motorhome. But we do have options. We have a few lenders out there that'll go back 20, 25 years.
Wow.
Right. So we've got options for older collateral, but for the most part, most of our lenders anywhere between 5 to 7 years old. After that, they generally stay away from. It's a big risk for them.
Sure. Here's another big one. And I think I ask it every time I go into finance to purchase a new vehicle or anything like that. Is there any penalties to paying off your loan early?
Oh, good question. There can be. We have a few lenders. Some of our top lenders do have a very, very small penalty to pay off within the first couple years. We're talking a couple $100. If that's something that you're concerned with, again, we've talked before, be transparent with your finance manager. We have lots of lenders that have zero penalty to pay off early. So if that's a big topic for you, you want to pay it off within the first couple years, just let them know. They'll get you set up with the right bank so you don't have to worry about any penalties at all.
Cool. All right, so I think that's everything for this part of the series. We'll have a few, so make sure you're tuning in and following at Great American RV for the next part of the series for RV Finance with Eric Perry.
Perfect.